Use Shea is the all-natural alternative to chemical and petroleum jelly-filled moisturizers. Use Shea, aka Nature's Wonder Balm, is perfect for all skin types and is a multi-purpose balm that can be used everywhere from face and body to lips and hair. It's super simple. If a consumer asks for a great moisturizer that won't clog their pores, point them our way. Why is shea butter the best thing ever? Well, it's a great moisturizer. A dermatologist will say that a great moisturizer is something that draws moisture to your skin, helps your skin retain moisture, or fills the gaps between skin cells to help smooth your skin. Shea butter is like a superhuman moisturizer because it does all of that. And many people have found that its vitamins A, E, F, and K help soothe skin ailments from wrinkles and stretch marks to psoriasis and eczema. And it does it completely naturally. Okay, so why is Use Shea different from everybody else? The more shea butter, the better, but not all shea is created equally. All of our products have at least 80% pure shea butter, relative to under 10% for peers generally. And we produce it fresh from the wild, from our family to yours. Good shea butter starts from the nuts. Our thousands of organically trained and sustainably paid pickers provide us with shea nuts for our in-house processing team. This team manufactures our shea butter according to the standards my mother developed as the president of the Global Shea Alliance. This means one thing: you get the absolute best every time. What's more is we're a mother-daughter team dedicated to sustainability and fair practices. In fact, our official mission is to support as many women as possible, as holistically as possible. To that end, we channel 15% of our profits back to our processors in the form of an education fund for their children. Don't be intimidated by this rich moisturizer. We promise it's easy to use. Just scoop a small portion of shea into the palm of your hand, then rub your hands together until the butter has melted, and apply as needed. That said, there isn't going to be a test. Use whatever technique is easiest for you. But remember, a little bit goes a long way. If you think we feel greasy or find that the shea isn't absorbing quickly enough, you're probably using too much. Then, shea wherever needs moisturizing. And feel free to get creative. Just because we haven't listed it doesn't mean it won't work. Through our How Do You Shea campaign, we've heard tons more fun uses, like for makeup removal and massages, or perfecting that perfect boy brow and giving those lashes clean definition. If you think of more uses, share them. And if you have questions or feedback, give us a shout.